Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Before I jump into today's video, let me just say this was recorded about a week ago, so we know what's going on in the world. I hope you guys are being safe. I hope you were able to stock up on the things that you needed. Hope you were able to get some gas. We are good over here. We did get situated. So moving right along into today's upload, I went on ahead and I went to my storage. Again, this was a week ago. Let me stress that again. I went into my storage and I got a few items out. I have been sharing pictures in real time on Instagram and also on YouTube community. And I'm sure by now you guys know that the feature wall in the entryway upstairs, the landing, and also all of the hardwood flooring upstairs and the luxury vinyl has been installed, and now it is completely done. At the time of this recording, that wasn't done. I was prepping for it, which is why I went and got boxes that go upstairs. That way I can start unpacking and I can actually feel like I'm kind of settling in, because it wasn't really feeling like that before. And I am happy to announce that I did get a part-time assistant. Okay.
All right, you guys, look at the chairs. They're so pretty. I don't think this is how far they're going to be out, just because I don't really have the size of the table and they're going to be tucked under, but they're so nice. And the company did a really great job with the upholstery work. Let me take this one off. This one's going to be a little bit easier because it was already off. I want you guys to see this because I'm so happy that I trusted my initial instinct with the chair. The chair looks so good on camera. It's almost looking like a black is brown, but it's not. Let me zoom in so you guys can really see the color. It's really nice. It's like a greenish tan color. It really complements the seat. Oh gosh, it's gorgeous. I love it. It's simple, but it's nice. Really nice. And I love, you guys, the cord. The cord is gorgeous. If I can just zoom in so you guys can see the color. Look at that. Even the cord around here is just really nice. They look like new chairs. Something else is, look at that sweet baby over there, you guys. Let me zoom in on him. I don't think he's gonna stay right there. He's supposed to go in the entryway. He looks really good. You know what I'm thinking? That the round mirror, if I do it in the entryway, that would look really pretty with that. I don't know where that round mirror is gonna land, to be honest with you. I know right now it's in my closet, but I don't even know if it's gonna stay there. But this is good. Let me go measure the fireplace and see how tall it is. I'm thinking. I don't know. I gotta measure the mirror. Give me the measurement tape upstairs. This ain't it though. Why? Do you want the mirror to go here?
Yes, actually, TV.
I want a TV here.
Actually, put TV upstairs.
Oh, so you don't do TVs in the living room?
Put the mirror
Not in my house.
Ooh.
Other people do whatever they not in my house. No. It's 54.
Who's the other one?
Okay, so the reason why I don't do TV in my living room, like this area or the last house, is I get distracted real easily. So I would burn my food, I wouldn't clean, I wouldn't do anything. And
So never?
I haven't. In the back of the day, I didn't have money to buy a TV, so I didn't have a TV.
But you're gonna have one in your bedroom.
That's still out for a debate.
You're not a TV girl.
I'm really not. I like to listen to music.
You would take the sound system over a television.
I would.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times, if I end up watching TV, it's because I heard
And you wanna see.
and I want to see what happened. But I'm not like moved by watching TV. Like that's not my thing. It's never really been my thing. For the mirror to really work in the house, I feel like the ceiling.
Needs to be high.
Heck yeah. Feel like I should have like 10-foot ceilings. Then, and you know what? I might use that mirror to be a little apartment. All right, you guys, I wanted to just show you some of the things that I've picked up. There's going to be more coming in. I actually hauled these. I didn't say they were mine because at the time I wasn't really sure what was really going on, but they are mine. They're not just going to be here. They're going to kind of be scattered between the bookcase, the office, and the master bedroom and the loft upstairs. But I just wanted to kind of show you again some of the colors that I'm trying to incorporate in the space. I want it to be really light and airy. Again, I am going to be doing colors in like the bedrooms and of course the closet that I did the change to. Yeah, I'm excited about that. But the main spaces, I still want them to be like pretty light because I want the house to just feel very like airy. I don't want it to feel heavy in terms of the pieces. And again, I'm loving these chairs, you guys. Loving it, especially the basket. The basket along with these two pieces look amazing. I love this. Home Goods, I think it was under 20 bucks. And then here I have the vase with the beads with the book. If you remember the haul that I did, then this looks very familiar. Something else that I want to share with you guys again. Oh, isn't he lovely? Yes, he is. He's quite lovely. Sitting up here perched. The round mirror is too big to go up here. It's pretty much too big to go anywhere. It's so funny. I was just sitting here talking to Kevin. And I'm like, I really don't even need this lady anymore because I grabbed her initially because I was like, oh, you know, I'm going to get some decor for the house. I'm not going to do high end or whatever, just because, you know, that's really not where mine was at. And it's so crazy because now I'm actually going high end with a lot of the decor in the house, and I'm really happy about that. Not that you have to go high end or whatever, but look at her, which she's beautiful, you know, she's really beautiful. And then look at him, honey. The bottom is marble. You have the iron, even the one over here. Like, let me get a closer shot of this thing over here, honey.
Yeah, truly worth their weight.
It's heavy, right? You can't really tell on camera how heavy they are. But they're like marble and granite and limestone, and they are heavy and they're screwed in. They're not glued down, which makes a huge difference, especially when it comes to the kids grabbing things. And let me see, not in this one, but look at these guys here. I can't wait to style the bookcase. It's not going to take as long again as the last styling did, just because this time I'm trying to get things slowly. So as the flooring gets done and the nail pops get repaired, I really start putting things together. You guys, this thing is going to go be like, what the heck? So right now it's kind of slow motion, but it's going to look amazing. And even the flooring, you guys, like, for those of you that are new, look at the flooring into the decor. That's amazing, huh? I wanted to share the dining chairs again because in the last video, some of you guys was like, wait, what was it? I actually shared these chairs when I first moved, and I told you they were Bernhardt. And there is an interior designer in Savannah. She was selling these, and she sold them to me. Gosh, I really don't remember because it's been a few months. And was it 6? Okay, maybe around like 500 or 600. She sold me the 4. And then I went to a market and I was able to get this one here for I think another 200 or maybe 150 or something like that, and I got it. So if I'm not mistaken, let me see which one. I still have to go and get the back done on this guy right here, I believe. Yep. See? This one's the one that I got at one of the trade shows. So all the backs on the other ones are done. So I still got to take this one to get done, which I will get that one done. But this is going to be facing the window whenever I get a table, because the store that did the reupholstering closed. So Georgia Interiors, which is the store where I used to get all the furniture for the last house, they have officially closed. Not temporarily, honey, they are closed. So I'm gonna reach out to Gigi, you guys remember Gigi, to see if her person can change this chair. So I have to make sure I take lots of pictures so they can make sure they match the fabric to a T, how it is on the remaining of the chairs. Really excited about that. Next thing, so I changed this up just a little bit. It's not fixed, honey, because it's a mess right now. I'm going to come tomorrow to clean up, which is why I say it's good for me to clean up periodically, so that way the house doesn't look like a dump, you know, but I'm gonna come tomorrow to clean. I just put out my candle, but the beads, you guys, these beads I actually got at Home Goods. I want to say they were 30. They're more than what I've ever spent on any of the beads, and I just thought they looked so good. I love just the natural wash on it. I love everything about it. I think, don't hold me to it, I might be able to get some more beads. There's a vendor that I have in Atlanta, and if I'm able to get some more beads, I will put it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because I can get it. I mean, I'm not gonna say for the low, but I can get it a really good deal and at least be able to do about maybe 10 to 15 of you guys, and I can do different colors like red and blue and ivory. That way, if you're interested, because I really I found these sparingly. Like, it wasn't like I went into Home Goods and they were there. Randomly between the last 6 and 7 months, I had been sneaking shopping, buying things. Certain things worked out, certain things didn't. So don't think that I wasn't doing absolutely nothing. I was doing something, but I just didn't want to share until everything came together. But now that, you know, I'm just over waiting, and I know I tell you guys all the time, be patient, but I had to go into my storage to get some stuff. And then, you guys, in the master, I wanted to show you the pillow. It looks so good. Just for the record, the drapery is going to be a really nice creamy ivory buttery color. You guys are going to love it. It's going to look really good. I'm really excited. Like I said, things are going to move fairly quickly, but the house isn't going to be done. Let me just say that. The closet is patched, you guys. I know it probably looks a little crazy, but he has to come in tomorrow and finish up. But drywall is up. Drywall is up. It's looking like something right now. I'm really happy. All of the beige trim has to come up, so I'm gonna have him change that stuff out. But once he does that, we're in there. We are in there. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it because I've just been kind of running. I've decided to go ahead and just let them do the hardwood floors. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I went on ahead. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I went on ahead and opted for them to do the flooring up here and not worry about the medallions. All right, I'm currently standing in the hallway, and what was going to happen is I was going to have 2 pieces here, but it's really not going to change or affect anything because I have a lot of details going up on these walls. So I'm not tripping. I'm going to go ahead and let the guy do up here, do all the bedrooms. That way I can start moving things in and feeling some type of situated. I hate feeling like this. I know I talk to you guys about having patience all the time, but this is just ridiculous. I can't, okay? In case you missed it, this is the light for the entryway. I'm so excited. I am going to be getting some paint so I can paint the front door. I'm going to be painting the back door, and I'm going to paint this door right here too. All right, you guys, hope you have a good day. Bye.